Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today we are celebrating National Bacon Day. Did you know that Congress meets to approve these dates like National Donut Day and stuff? I know, it's ridiculous. Of course, sometimes people just say it's National this or that day, but I don't care. I want bacon. So I pulled this out for Darren and I, getting ready to fry it up in my old, well, trusted skillet. Then I have my butter on here for the eggs. I'll heat that up when the bacon gets going. I've already got my sop up the grease paper towels on. The little tomatoes are ready. I grew up eating bacon and eggs fried with sliced tomatoes, so I really like that, or tomato juice, or V8. So that is good to me. All right, I'm gonna get this started. I'll show you when it's frying. Oh, you can almost smell it, can you not?
I can.
Woohoo! Love bacon, love frying bacon, except it gets my hands sometimes, but I'm good with that. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
And what a big treat.
Yeah. Bacon. I've got the butter started over here. Yes, usually I fry in the bacon grease, but today I'm not going to. This is why I like this pan. It's flat. I swear, none of the skillets you buy today are flat on the bottom. It's so annoying. Why 6 eggs? We have 3 dogs. They're going to split 2. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. I hope you have bacon today. We can't wait. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.